GoHighLevel Chat Widget Tutorial. Hi, I'm Jason. Gone are the days when all your chat widget could do is answer basic FAQ questions. With the help of GoHighLevel, your chat widget will be doing so much more. Not only will it be able to answer questions, you can also book appointments using your chat widget, as you can see right here. So for example, it can vet the customer, and then from there it can find out what service they want and when they would like to book an appointment. Once the appointment has been booked, the customer automatically will get a confirmation email. Not only will they get a confirmation email, the customer will also be added to your appointment calendar, as you can see right here, and they'll also be added to your pipeline. So you'll be able to see when you log into GoHighLevel, you'll be able to see that customer. And also I'll be showing you how to set up an appointment confirmation reminder. So with this, you'll be able to eliminate no-show, and you'll also improve your customer service. So once they book the appointment, as you can see right here, they'll be created, and then from there they'll get a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they are going to get another reminder email. Then an hour before, they are going to get a reminder email and an SMS. I'll be showing you how to set up this entire process in just a few minutes. Now, to get started, you're going to need a GoHighLevel account. If you don't have one as yet, I've left a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to test out GoHighLevel for completely free. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and the first thing you're going to select is AI agents. After selecting AI agents, you're going to tap right where you see conversation AI. Then you're going to tap on create bot. After you have selected create bot, you're going to tap on prompt based bot. So you're going to tap on create right here. Once you have done that, we're going to be selecting appointment booking, and you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can give your bot a name. So for example, you can tap right here and you could give your bot a name. Then we're just going to scroll down, and you're going to see the option set bot status. We're going to select autopilot. So bot replies automatically based on trained data. Then you'll scroll down and you can see the different channels that it also has access to. So you can set it up so that it responds to Instagram DM, for example, Facebook Messenger, and so on. After you have done that, what you're going to do next is you're going to go to bot training. So we're going to save the changes. Then we're going to go to bot training. After selecting bot training, from here you'll be able to add the knowledge base. Now to set up your knowledge base, you're going to tap on knowledge base at the top. Then you're going to tap on create knowledge base, and you can give your knowledge base a name. So for example, I'm just going to call it test knowledge. After you have given it a name, you're going to tap on add. Once you have done that, you have a few options. You could select web crawler, and from here you could paste in your website URL, and it will scrape all the information from your website, for example, your opening hours, the different services you offer, and so on, so that it will be able to answer repetitive questions. You could do that. You could also select FAQ, and from here you could add in the frequently asked questions. You can also select files, which is the option that I like to use. Now to set up files, all you'll need to do is create a PDF with the basic information about your business. You can also use AI to create this. For example, you can add in business name, business type, operating days, closed days, and the business hours, as you can see right here, the brand personality tone, and so on. You can use ChatGPT to create this if you want, or you can choose to manually set it up. Once you have uploaded your knowledge base, you're going to go back, and once you go back, you're going to tap on conversation AI. Then you're going to tap on agent lists, or agents list better yet, and you're going to select the employee. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on bot training. Once you have selected bot training, you're going to tap on add knowledge base, and you're going to choose the knowledge base that you had created. So you'll simply select the knowledge base, then you're going to tap on save. After you have done that, you're going to tap on bot goals. Once you have selected bot goals, you can scroll down, and this is where you'll be able to customize the personality and so on. And you're going to tap on appointment booking. After you have selected appointment booking, from there you can pick your calendar, and I've also done tutorials showing how to create your calendar, so you'll be able to select your calendar right here. You can also select trigger workflow, you can set up human handoff, and so on. But for now, all I would recommend you do is tap on appointment booking and connect it to your calendar. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save. Now that you have set that up, the next thing you want to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to see the option sites. You're going to tap on sites. Then you're going to select chat widget. After selecting chat widget, you're going to tap on new, and you're going to select live chat. Once you have selected live chat, you can give your chat widget a name. Then you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on appearance. This is where you'll be able to customize how your chat widget icon looks, as you can see right here, and you can see how it changes, how it looks right there. You can also upload your own icon. By scrolling down, you can also select the theme that you want to use. You can edit the welcome message, as you can see right there. You can tap on widget customization, and you can choose the widget placement, as you can see there. Once you have finished doing that and it is to your liking, you can tap on chat window. From there you can edit the title and intro and so on. You can customize it to your liking. Once everything is finished and to your liking, you're just going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After saving it, you're going to tap on get code. So you'll tap right here on get code, and you're just going to copy the code. After you have copied the code, the next thing you want to do is go onto your website. Whether you're using WordPress website builder, Wix or so on, you're just going to go onto it, and you can select your home page for example's sake. So let's say I were to select this page. I'll just tap on edit. After you have done that, you want to find HTML, so you can tap on the plus, and we could select custom HTML. You're going to paste in the code, then you're just going to tap on save. Now that you have done that, all you'll need to do now is test it out yourself. To test it out, you can simply preview your web page, and from there you could ask it a question. So for example's sake, I could tap right here, and let's say I were to ask it a question. You can tap right there, ask it a question, then you'll give it a few seconds, then it will automatically respond. Now let me show you how to quickly set up the appointment automation. To set up the appointment automation, you're going to go back into GoHighLevel. You're going to tap on back right here. Once on the dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select automation. After selecting automation, you're going to tap on create workflow, and you're just going to tap on select from template. You'll tap on select from template, and you're just going to tap on the search bar, and you can type in appointment for example's sake, and you're going to see the option appointment confirmation and reminder. You're just going to select that option. Once you have selected the option, you're just going to tap right here to preview it, and you can see how it looks. So once they have booked an appointment, it will automatically send a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they're going to get a reminder email. You're going to tap on choose template. After you have chosen the template, the next thing you want to do is add one small edit. So the edit that we'll be adding is, once they have booked the appointment, we're going to tap on the plus right here, and you're going to search for create opportunity. So we're going to be adding them to our pipeline. So you'll tap on create opportunity right there. You're going to select your pipeline, then you're just going to tap on save action. And just like that, you have set it up. Then you'll go on publish. And with GoHighLevel, if it is a case that you like to also send an internal notification, for example, you can do that. So you could tap on the plus right here. Then from there you could type in send internal notification, then tap on it and choose the type of notification you like to send to your team member. For example, email, notification, SMS or WhatsApp. You can choose. So let's say for example you're in a department where you're working with different persons, so persons may be booking for different services. So for example, numerous doctors or so on, and you like the doctor to automatically get a notification whenever someone books their service. You can set it up right here, and you'll tap on save action, and that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.